All right, so here is the box. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm loving the holographics of it. It says born for beauty, a lasting natural looking solution, Yolova. So again, this video is sponsored by Yolova. Thanks guys. Now we are going to open this wig. This boxing is everything, and look at that, the siding. So it slips out. It's like a little tray. Ooh, cute. All right, so in the bag, you get the hair in a separate packaging. And they also have some goodies. Now we like goodies. We got the wig cap and some cute lashes. It's like super cute lashes. So this is my first time unboxing this. This is 26 inches and it is a Bodywave. I like body waves, so. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Ooh, look at those curls. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice and soft. I love it. Love, love, love. And this is the lace all around. There's lace. All right, so I'm going to install this and I will be back. All right, so here you guys can see that I am cutting the lace from the back of the wig. They have the lace all around, which is awesome. We love wigs like that. Easy to adjust to your head and the way you like it. And next, I'll be working on the front. So here I am adjusting the wig to my head, just trying to figure out how I want it to sit on my head and where I'm going to be using my Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray. And now I'm going to go ahead and just pin it back, get it out of the way. Y'all, I was really just trying to get this on my head as good as possible. So I tried something different this time. I went ahead and pinned all of the hair back. And now I'm going to blast the perimeter with the freeze spray. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead, hook this baby up and be ready to go. So keep watching. Okay, so the struggle was real here. I realized I had glued it down so well that I couldn't cut any more of the lace off because I'd be trimming off my edges. And of course, nobody wants that. We want all our edges in 2021. So I just went ahead and filled it in with my brow powder and try to cover up as much as the lace as I could. Some curls. Let me fix my angle. And I'm gonna add some curls just to okay. How it looks. The curls. Alright, let's work on the top. Alright, so I am back with the finished product. As you guys saw, I went ahead and added some of my brown powder, which I cannot find where it's at right now, to the hairline. And so yeah, guys, she's beautiful. I love her. I'll leave all the information in the link down below. Be sure to check out Yolova hair. Thank you guys for sponsoring today's video. This is a Bodywave 26-inch. Let me show you how she looks. Okay, so this is how she looks standing up. I'm probably gonna leave it separated like this. Very full. I just did a few curls on the bottom end. I could curl some more because this strand is a little back. Nice and long. Step, pull my hair here. Don't tell nobody I said that. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video.